Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Word document is not opening, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing is you can go ahead and close your Word document from your drop down menu as well. So right click onto here if you see Word document, right click onto it, then exit. Now you can also try restarting your device, launching your Word app and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then here is the last thing that you should try. At the below search bar, type in settings and open your settings. Now once it is so, click on this apps button from your left hand side, select installed apps. And here you will see various applications that you have installed, but you have to find your Microsoft Office. In my case, I have Microsoft 365. Let's go ahead and locate this. And now here you have to click on this three dot icon. Click on modify, select yes. And likewise, you can also click on this quick repair. Click repair, repair again. Wait for this to load. Once this is completed, you can also click for online repair, the option that you just saw below this quick repair. And just like so guys, once this is done, you may go ahead, restart your device one last time, launch it, and this will work.